Hey! The f LeBaron convertible. Look at that. That is awesome. Hell yeah. My parents had one. Had a turbo on it. It was cool. Let's do this, guys. We were just at the 30th anniversary of Gator Harley up here in Leesburg. But I think we're gonna blow on out of here. I got here early. I'm sure it'll fill up here, but I got shit to do, man. You know? I'd like to stay here all day, but I don't think that's possible. And I'm about a little bit far away from home, so I can't drink too much beer. Let's go ahead and charge it up. Alright, let's get out of here. Do it. Damn, smell that weed. Nice. I don't care how shitty it is outside or how hot it is. And let me tell you, people, with the heat indexes, it's been in the triple digits. And triple digits in Florida is miserable, so I had to get out. It just stopped raining, so I know it's going to be steamy. It's going to be wet. It's going to be nasty. But I can't do it. I got to get out. I got to get out on the bike. I don't know where we're going. We're going for a ride, but I can't sit up there. Although it's not a bad place to sit. It really isn't. It's pretty cool. But I gotta get out. We're gonna go for a ride. I know I should be wearing better protective clothing, but I'm telling you guys, it's 96 degrees with 100% pure humidity. Shit. I went the other day, like a couple days ago, and I got back and my helmet was soaking wet. It wasn't a good time. I hear thunder. I don't care. In Florida, we have 2 seasons. One riding season, one not riding season. We're in our not riding season right now. From like June, July, August, oh, it is miserable. You literally have to go at like 6:30 in the morning, which is usually when I go out riding, or you're gonna have to wait till 8 o'clock at night. You can't even sneak in at 5 o'clock because it's gonna rain. And for all those who are not or don't live in Florida, especially here in Central Florida, it rains every day at 3 o'clock. And then it becomes nasty. That's not fun. Sweaty balls on a bike ain't fun. And even if it's on a highway, it's still good riding. Who needs a fairing? Got all this nice wind blast coming right at me. Makes you hold on to the bars. Is that the Cobra Kai? But no mercy. Look at that. I bet you this dude only knows it because of the show. I wonder. And not from the movie. My man, I don't like that. See, that's just stupid. No. No, sir, that's not me. Man, look at that. Two brothers racing, 2-1. Catless. Pipe. Got it tuned. This thing is obnoxiously loud. Obnoxiously loud. Let's go check it out. Cold start. This is ridiculous. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. When I go through the park garage here, it sets off some alarms. I'm sure somebody here is going to complain out, but that thing is badass. Makes the bike. I like the finish on it. Hell to the yeah. Let everybody know I'm coming, huh? Early in the morning, I don't want to start pissing people off, so we'll kind of cruise through here. The decel on that pipe is awesome sounding. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There, right there, that truck right there. Oh my God, that's too funny. I shouldn't have done that. I can't do that anymore. I'm sure that dude would be pissed off at me. You don't have such a fucking sensitive alarm, you know? It's still going off. Fuck yeah. Listen to this. Love the decel.